Good morning to all. Today we are getting started with the topic. Topic is example of law of conservation of linear momentum. So example is recoil a gun. So before firing the system, the gun and the bullet is at rest. So the linear momentum of the system before firing is zero. After firing, the bullet leaves a gun and it moves with a large velocity in the forward direction. Thus the bullet has large linear momentum. Since no external force acts on the system, so its linear momentum after firing must also be zero. This can happen if the gun has linear momentum equal to the magnitude of the linear momentum of the bullet in the backward direction. Therefore, gun recoils to conserve the linear momentum. This is gun. It moves with velocity v in backward direction. This is a bullet that will be moved forward with velocity v vector. Recoil velocity. What is recoil velocity? The velocity with which a gun moves backward after firing a bullet. Expression: linear momentum after gun plus bullet before firing equal to zero. After firing, the bullet moves forward and the gun moves backward. To conserve the linear momentum of the system, as no external force acts on it. Let m be the mass of bullet and v vector be the velocity of bullet, and let m be the mass of the gun and the big v vector be the velocity of gun with which it moves backward, that is recoil velocity. Therefore, linear momentum of the system gun plus bullet after firing equal to mv vector plus mv vector. According to the law of conservation of linear momentum, mv vector plus mv vector equal to 0 or v vector equal to minus mv vector by m. Negative sign shows that the velocity of the gun is in the opposite direction to that velocity of the bullet. So one question is here: a bullet of mass 100 gram is fired from a rifle of mass 20 kg with a speed of 50 meter per second. Calculate the velocity of recoil of the rifle. So mass is 100 gram, that can be written as 0.1 kg. V equal to 50 meter per second and m equal to 20 kg, and big V we need to know. So this is a formula: V equal to minus mv by m equal to, we can write minus 0.1 into 50 upon 20. So the velocity is minus 0.25 meter per second. Negative sign indicates that the direction of the velocity of the recoil of the rifle is opposite to that of bullet. Thank you.